Good morning, students. I hope you are doing good. Well, we are on exercises of our third chapter. Continuing with that, now we will do the exercise which is on page number 37, and the exercise is the B part. Change these sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. Now, student, we know that what is direct speech and what is indirect speech, and we have given sentences in direct speech and we have to convert them into indirect speech. Okay, so let's start. Our first sentence is, don't blame me, he said. Don't blame me, he said. This is direct speech. We change the subject, right? So what we will write? He asked them not to blame him. He asked them not to blame him. Alright, next sentence is, I will make you the laughing stock at school, he warned. Now you remember when we were reading the story, who said this sentence? This sentence was said by Swami's father to Swami. So what will be the indirect speech of this sentence? It will be, he warned him that he would make him the laughing stock at school. He warned him that he would make him the laughing stock at school. Okay, our third sentence is, something has bitten me, the thief shouted. Answer, the thief shouted that something had bitten him. The thief shouted that something had bitten him. Next sentence, you must learn to not be afraid of darkness, his father said. His father said that he must learn to not be afraid of darkness. His father said that he must learn to not be afraid of darkness. Our fifth sentence is, where is he sleeping? His father asked. In usual place, replied his mother. There are two sentences in this point. So how we will write? His father asked where he was sleeping. His mother replied that he was sleeping in his usual place. His mother replied that he was sleeping in his usual place. Now next sentence is, come here at once, said Rohit to his sister. Rohit ordered his sister to come there at once. Rohit ordered his sister to come there at once. Now next sentence is, please pass me the salt, said mother. Mother requested her to pass her the salt. Mother requested her to pass her the salt. Our eighth sentence is, let's go out to play, said Rakesh to Sonia. Rakesh suggested to Sonia that they should go out to play. What is it? Rakesh suggested to Sonia that they should go out to play. Alright, so we have done 8 sentences and we have converted them into indirect speech from direct speech. So students, try to understand all these sentences and do not forget to write down in your notebook. Till then, take care and Have a nice day.